Hello guys. In this video I'm gonna show you the tips and tricks to reach Conqueror rank. In order to reach Conqueror, you need to win almost every game, or at least you need to reach the top 3 position in every match. So, I'm gonna give you some strategy to consistently win or to reach the top 3 in every match. Well, first of all you need a perfect squad, because reaching Conqueror is not a joke. Playing with randoms ain't gonna take you anywhere. Anyways, the best time to begin your rank push is when the new season starts. When the new season begins, every player's tier will reset, and that's the perfect time for you to start your Conqueror journey. So, the most basic and important thing is where to drop. Before you drop out from the plane, you need to know the different risk classes of the different drops. And consequently the risk of going to different places in relation to the plane path. Dropping 1,500 meters or less away from the plane path is in the high-risk zone. Because anyone can reach any location here regardless of opening the parachute early or getting a vehicle or not. Dropping from 1,500 meters to 2,000 meters is a medium-risk zone. Most rank pushers usually land in these places, so dropping here is often okay, but not completely without risk. Dropping 2,000 meters or more away from the plane will get you in the low-risk zone. Dropping down earlier and driving to such far places is also an option here. However, in most of the cases, you can use your parachute to glide to your destination by opening the parachute earlier. So, in this particular example, I would probably land in one of these mark locations, cause these places can provide you enough loot for your squad. After all, loot is the second most important thing in this game, survival is still the first. Anyway, if you land far more than 2,000 meters, then surviving to the top 3 will be easy for you and your squads. And most importantly, try to avoid these drop locations, or also known as hot drops, as many players do choose to take hot drops for intense action. Anyway, Miramar is one of the best map to push rank because it is the biggest map, so you can easily survive. So, here are the high risk, medium risk and low risk zone. So, after landing, the most important thing is to get good loot. Having a good loot from the start can make your match pretty easy. Now, getting kills are as important as survival in this game. So, always try to get at least 5+ kills in every game. Like if you landed earlier than your enemies, and your enemy does not have any weapon and you have a weapon, then you should consider sending them back to the lobby. Always keep the zone as your first priority. You should always keep a vehicle with you no matter where you drop. A vehicle is really important to keep you alive in the match. So, if you are deciding to reach Conqueror, then you must be a pro in zone prediction. So predicting zone is the matter of experience and luck. Now, in order to reach Conqueror, you need a lot of plus point at the end of every match. To get a lot of plus point, you need to deal at least 500+ damage, 5+ kills. And you need to recover your health more than 5 times in every game. So, recovering health is the easiest thing you can do. Like you can get some damage from the blue zone as well, and then you can heal yourself up. But make sure you carry at least 5+ painkillers and drinks, 10+ bandages and 5+ health kits. Always try to not die early, this will give you negative points, which makes harder for you to get those points back. Once you survive the early game and you have enough loot, then you should drive directly to the center of the circle number 3 as per your prediction. And hold that particular area or compound until the next zone appears. And in mid-game, always try to avoid unnecessary fights, only take those fights if you have no other option. And never engage a fight in the blue zone. Now, your aim is to be in a top 3 in every game. If you got decent number of kills, then be calm and let others kill each other. And give the best rotations to be in the final circle. One single mistake can send you back to the lobby. Unfortunately, if the last zone is in the open, then you should use your vehicle as covers and smokes to protect yourself from any other side. And always try to do third part if any squads are fighting with each other. And one main important thing you need to do in the final circle, either get kills if you have strong squad or just camp if you don't have. Most importantly, if you have zone advantage, then let your enemies push on you. Because zone advantage in the last circle can take you too close to the chicken dinner. But remember, not all the times you will get lucky. If you follow those strategies, then you have a higher chance of winning the game. Having a decent device and stable internet connection will help you to reach Conqueror faster. And also you should have a good team if you are pushing in duos or squads. Anyways, solo is the easiest to push compared to duos and squads. And squads is the hardest one among them, and hackers are normal while you are pushing Conqueror. The best way to be safe from the hacker is by staying at the edges of the blue zone. Try to reach Conqueror in less than 7 days. First thing when you wake up, you have to start playing, and after few matches charge your device while you are eating your breakfast or lunch. Don't waste too much time, play 7 to 8 hours each day. And always go for position, not for kills. If you go for top 3 position, then you have a chance to get chicken easily. I hope you understood the whole guide. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video and make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell icon. I will see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.